A useful tip I have come along and found worked well in raising 2 puppies in the last 6 weeks has been, when I'm leaving the room, teaching them to sit and stay, so that way they aren't trying to beat me out the door or anything like that. And I found this initially has to be taught with treats, just like most commands. And when they're puppies, usually they're content just to use the regular kibble dog food. So this is all about teaching them the sit and stay command. Once they've learned the stay command, you start to implicate that and drag it out for a little bit longer. They'll come right to the door, you know. And the idea is you want to get out the door without them getting up. So I'll tell Sampson when I go to leave, and this is how I started with him. I'd say sit, and I'd say good boy, because he's being good right now, and he knows. Stay, and then I'd go out to leave, and if for whatever reason he stands up, like he just did there, I come back in and I close the door. And he knows that he has to stay the whole time in order to get the treat. Good boy. Stay. And then I'll again attempt to leave. And then I'll get the door to where it's just cracked, and I'll say good boy, and I'll throw him a treat. When I leave the room for long extended periods of time, I usually like to reward him with a treat. When initially you start teaching them how to leave the room, you're going to probably want to reward them with a treat every time, and then maybe cut back to throwing a toy for them. Yeah, you're being good. Thank you. Try throwing a toy for them, or again giving them a treat. Now I just give them a treat when I'm going away for an extended period of time, and I give them a special treat before bed, so that sort of indicates that they are going to bed. Stay. Good boy. So he already knows. And I'll close the door, and now that it's just cracked and he's still obeying, I throw him the treat. I say good dog. You may hear him come and scratch at the door. Do not go back in. If you go back in, you're teaching him that by scratching and calling at the door, he will get your attention, and that he's getting a positive reward for that. It's a growing pain that he will get out of.